Hey, what's going on, everybody? Mike's Paint Studio. Thanks for joining. Haven't made a video in a while, and it's just because. Anyway, today I thought I would show you how I drilled my holes with my drill press here. Um, Nothing too fancy. I got a couple of boards that I'm going to do today, so I'll show you one. I'll speed it up so it's not a 45-minute video. Hopefully it's under 10 minutes. But anyway, this is how I do it, and you can feel free to do it any way you want. All right, so here's the what I'm going to do. It's going to be this one with the green resin. It's going to be a 120 hole board. Here's the template. Got this off of Amazon. And then this is the other board I'll do. I'm not sure if I'm going to do 3-track or 2-track, probably a 2-track because it's faster. But here's my 3-track template. Got that off of Amazon as well. Yeah, we're going to get into it. This one will be finished naturally with some wood conditioner. This one already has resin top coat on it and some ice fishing jigs. You can see, pretty sweet. All right, so this is the part where I start speeding it up, and yeah, we'll see what happens. All right, so here's the board, all nice and drilled out. So what I'm going to do now is put some wood conditioner on here and then clean it up, put some rubber feet on the back, and it'll be done. I'll put some pictures at the end. Please like and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Down below are links to my TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. Follow me there as well. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.